Welcome back to the Net Effect and part 2 of our previous year question and answer session. To re energize your studies, today we are going to discuss some more questions from mass communication and journalism. Don't waste your time is our study mantra for now, so let's begin. First question. Our village Chatera was a well publicized what? Options given are column, cartoon, newspaper, or weekly magazine. This question was asked in 2018 examination. Do you know the answer? Okay, let me explain it for you. Our Village Chatera was a regular fortnightly column in the Sunday magazine of Hindustan Times. It started appearing in the newspaper from 22nd February 1969. It began with the objective of purely reporting rural India to highly urbanized readers, and there were readers who said the editor has gone insane because he was giving so much importance to village life in a newspaper. But during its 9 years of publication, it opened a window to country life, problems of the village, farming, and rural development. So it can be called as an experiment in development journalism. Under the leadership of the then editor B.G. Varghese, the column showed how an Indian press could play the role of a catalyst to development. So the right answer here is it's a column. The second question is from Unit 9 Film and Visual Communication. You have to arrange the given Satyajit Ray films in its chronological order. Most of you might have heard about Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray was an Indian film director, writer, illustrator, and music composer. He is widely considered as one of the greatest filmmakers of all time. He made 36 movies in a career spanning 37 years. Here, the films given are Apur Sansar, Padir Panchali, Aparajito, and Charulata. Let's check the correct answer. Padir Panchali, which means a song of the little road, marked Satyajit Ray's debut as a director in 1955. This masterpiece is a social drama inspired by a famous novel of the same name by Bibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. So, Padir Panchali comes first in the sequence. Then you can eliminate option A and D since it is not starting with Padir Panchali. Aparajito, The Unvanquished was his second film directed in 1956. And Apu Sansar, The World of Apu was directed in 1959. These three films make the famous Apu trilogy. Charulata was Satyajit Ray's brilliant retelling of Tagore's classic story of a lonely young wife. It was directed in 1964. So, the correct option is option C. Option C. Padir Panchali, Aparajito, Apur Sansar, and Charulata. Next is an easy question for you. What is scamp? You can take 5 to 15 seconds to answer the question. The answer is option C, advertisement. Scamp is a drawing or sketch of an advertising concept. These are created to bring to life and visualize an idea and to share them with others. Next comes another easy question for you. Communication is also defined as the symbolic production of what? The options are conviction, tradition, morality, reality. It is definitely an easy answer. The answer is option D, reality. Question number 5. The stub is referred to options, the left-hand column, graphs, maps, footnotes. This kind of terms can be found in the glossary of journalism terms. A stub is the left-hand column. Question number 6 deals with an important topic. First, let's see the question and then I'll give you the explanation. The question is, Walter Lippmann's public opinion reflects the early perception of what? The given options are direct media effects, indirect media effects, passive media effects, or Unclear media effects. Who is Walter Lippmann and what is his public opinion? Normally, we listen to the term public opinion during election season. Where do these public opinions come from? Public opinion is the collective opinion of people on some issues or problems. Here, Public Opinion is a well known work by Walter Lippmann, an American writer, reporter, and political commentator published in 1922. He introduced public opinion in a democratic society's point of view. In that work, he presents public as the one who is unable to process information deeply or to behave rationally. It was Lippmann who first identified the tendency of journalists to generalize about other people based on fixed ideas. He argued that people, including journalists, are more apt to believe the pictures in their heads than to come to judgment by critical thinking. People construct a pseudo environment that is a subjective, biased, and necessarily abridged mental image of the world. And to a degree, everyone's pseudo environment is a fiction. He believed people can be influenced by the media. According to him, the concepts of gatekeeping and agenda setting are done by limiting public access to information. Lippmann was famous for being among the first to introduce the concept of Cold War, and he was a renowned columnist. From this, I think you got the answer. Yes, Walter Lippmann's public opinion reflects the early perception of direct media effects. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Thank you so much, friends. I hope this session helped you to understand what to study and how to study. Do attend all my tutorials. It will definitely help you in the coming exam. If you are interested to watch more videos like this, please do comment, and if you like my video, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon with another video. Have a great learning time. Bye-bye.